By default, all the rankings you see on a stock are out of the entire default universe, which is today at 7,597 stocks. But you can actually change this default universe to any universe you like. And as a result of that, you can produce a new set of rankings for that new universe. For example, I now want to re-rank Apple within the stocks that are listed in the US and the stocks that are only inside the information technology sector. The new stock universe size is now at 482 stocks, which means there are in total only 482 stocks listed in the US that are also inside the information technology sector. And all the rankings here changed as well, and you can compare the before and the after rankings for the default universe, which is 7,597 stocks, and the new stock universe for Apple, which is 482 stocks. And all the rankings are different as a result of you changing the universe size.